The RX350 is one of Lexus luxury SUV models. The 2013 Lexus RX350 is a part of the third generation, years 2010 to 2015. Today we will talk about its problems. It's the Car Problem YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Oil leak and loss of oil. The Lexus RX350 has a history of VVTi oil lines bursting. The ground, engine, and undercarriage are all covered by this enormous leak. The low engine oil message and the engine oil pressure warning light will illuminate if the oil line bursts while you're driving. Following these warnings, continued use will cause an engine to completely fail from lack of oil. Toyota has released a revised part to address the line's known flaws, but this new part is also known to have the same problem. The line must be changed, and the engine compartment and undercarriage must be thoroughly cleaned in order to fix the problem. Air conditioning fault. A message about an AC error could appear or the air conditioning light could light on the info screen. The problem appears due to faulty air conditioner amplifier, and there is a revised part available to fix this issue. Look inside the glove box at the AC amplifier. It is located above the cabin air filter box after removing the glove box. With a sophisticated scanner, you might be able to retrieve the body code B1475 from the black box with electrical wires. The issue has been identified by Toyota and Lexus, and it might need to be fixed at the dealership. Software upgrade for GPS, radio, and heater. A software update has fixed a number of user interface problems with the heater controls, radio controls, GPS controls, and Bluetooth functionality. If you experience problems with these systems, then the first step in diagnosing the problem should be to check for the most recent software. Install the most recent software update on a USB drive to get it. Then, adhere to the instructions after inserting the USB drive into the USB port. Airbag warning light. There were many cases when SRS warning light appeared with code B0111 and or B0116. Lexus dealers know about this issue and there is a bulletins regarding the SRS system. Go to your dealer and it is not uncommon to replace one or more airbags to correct these fault codes. O2 sensor codes P137 and P138. The upstream O2 sensors in Toyota and Lexus are known as air-fuel ratio sensors, and they can malfunction and illuminate the check engine light. Their downstream O2 has an internal heater sensor that frequently malfunctions. These sensors must be changed with an original equipment. Only original. This issue cannot be solved by a universal oxygen sensor. Change the sensor with a quality one that is designed to function in the system. If the code reappears after the sensor has been changed, then you should ask for help from a specialist because these sensors sometimes have wiring issues. Liftgate not working. The liftgate may automatically open when you press the key fob, but it may also remain open or it may lock and remain closed until the liftgate button is pressed. Lexus claims that initialization, or reprogramming, of the RX350 is required. After disconnecting the battery, this issue might arise and lead to electrical issues with components other than the liftgate, such as the window or sunroof. The Lexus RX350 has a 4.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating, which places it third among 14 luxury midsize SUVs. Its ownership costs are lower than average because the average annual repair cost is only $550. Major issues are rare for the RX350 due to the low severity of repairs and average frequency of those problems.